Welcome back to Facebook Monetization Strategies, and in this video we're going to be discussing strategies for moving your members off Facebook and into your marketing funnel. Now, one of the keys in making your Facebook membership a long-term success is interacting with the users outside of Facebook. And so what does this mean? Well, that means that you're going to want to make sure that they're reading emails from you, and this is going to give you that opportunity to market to them outside of Facebook, apart from the distractions that Facebook does bring to a person when they are experiencing content. Now, one of the ways that you're going to do that is even while you're referring to them, even while you are having discussions on Facebook, always refer to things that they can only find exclusively in your email and in different mediums. So in other words, you want to talk about some of the things that and assume, right, in your conversation that they've already gotten it. If they don't have it, you want them to say, well, hey, if you don't have it, all you got to do is go over to this email address or go over to this website and sign up for the email marketing list, and we'll get that content to you. So always refer to that other content to make people, to force your members to go and take a look at the other places. Now, of course, you want to make sure that you are delivering or over delivering in the membership, right? So don't give them, don't not give them what you have promised them in the membership and then talk about things they can't get there. You want to make sure you're over delivering in the membership and then talk about those other exclusive items that they can only get if they opt into your list. Now, this means that all that content that you're doing, right? You should not have it all on Facebook anyway, right? Remember, the content you're putting on here is only going to be for the folks who are willing to pay for it, and people who are eventually going to just want to buy or experience that content on Facebook and not in a membership site. Okay, so if you want your members to interact with you elsewhere, you want to have some of your content elsewhere that's not going to be, I guess, available to those who don't go to those other mediums. Okay, do separate giveaways. So yes, you should be doing giveaways for your members, but as long as you're over delivering in your content, you can do those separate giveaways that are only going to be for your email list. And again, when you talk about them, assume that the people already have them so that they are curious about them enough to go and look at them and sign up for that email marketing list. You need to be able to market to people, again, apart from Facebook, apart from the distractions. You want to be able to have them on an email marketing list that you can send them offers to various things that will, again, cause them to take a look at maybe products that they want to have that are more expensive than the membership they're paying for. Maybe they're going to have the opportunity to do something totally different that you're offering, but you want to make sure that you're marketing to them not only on Facebook, but also inside of your email marketing list. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.